Swimming. Tita! Hi po! Si Mother Ina. Wow, good boy. Eating apple. Ganda. Iyo. 100,000. Viet Nom. They're closing the streets for us. No, charot. Strolling, looking for boys. Ay. Hi po! Oh, man. Si Mother Ina. Feeling so blue without ya. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me. No matter where we might be, I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. Can I just take some time while I lose my mind? You've been gone for a minute and I can't seem to unwind. I've been going crazy out here, being brave and facing my fears. Always kept me safe, now you disappear. Oh, what would I do without ya? Feeling so blue without ya. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me. No matter where we might be, I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. Wow, good boy. Eating apple. Yes, good boy. Oh, apple. Yum, yum. Ganda. Iyo.
I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. Feel the love in your heart. The way that you smile. Feel the love in your heart. The way that you smile.
Meron kong ganito? Ha? Ayaw mo kumain ng karne?
Love the booty me. Ano ba yan?
Random lahat ng topic mo. Hindi. Kasi nandiyo natulog sa amin. Alam niyo yung sabi ko siya, kasarado siya ng bahay. Sabi niya, 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. 7 p.m. ha? Yes. O, tutuloy natin yung
Kaya magbubuksak
Tapos
lights
tayo
sa hotel.
parang third lang for head. Tapos may buffet. Nag-send ako ng picture natin sa so many boys sa hotel
Cute boys, so many cute boys. So beautiful.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up?
Viet Nom. Street market. They're closing the streets for us. No, charot. Sunday market in Vietnam. Wow! So nice.
I'm feeling okay, nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress on today, I don't care what you say, and I'm ignoring my phone, so
Yehey, strolling sa Hanoi, looking for boys. Ay, Westlake. Ooh. Ito cute to, cute. Yun, cute.